The station is quiet now. Not empty, just slower. Shoes tap softer, voices drop. People carry less excitement in more memory. You've seen the streets, the stones, the sun on the cathedral. Now it's time to leave it behind or take a piece with you. This isn't a goodbye. It's a glide back into rhythm with one last look through the window. As Cervantes once said, the road is always better than the inn, and this ride proves it. The journey carries more than the arrival. Let's go. Not many train lines give you light like this. The rails don't just carry passengers, they carry the last gold of the day. This ride back feels different. On the way out, you chase discovery. On the way home, you carry it. The Toledo-Madrid AVANT line is reversible in time, 33 minutes forward in the morning, 33 minutes inward in the evening. By now, people are quieter, not because they're bored, but because their minds are still walking narrow streets. The Spanish poet Antonio Machado once wrote, "Traveler, there is no path. The path is made by walking, and sometimes by riding." Every window reflects your face now. It's not just a view anymore. It's a mirror with motion. These trains are electric, silent, and fast. But what they carry isn't speed, it's closure. In Spain, the return journey always feels shorter. Maybe because the heart already knows the way. Evening trains are the true philosophers. They speak without words and answer without sound. Isn't it strange? Some of the best thoughts happen between two places. Never quite arriving, never quite staying. The seat next to you is empty or quiet, but the space is full of stories, ideas, and the weight of the day. For Cervantes, learning didn't just live in books, it lived in motion. He wrote, "He who walks much and reads much knows much." The Castilian plain outside is fading into blue, but inside the train, everyone carries their own sunset. There's a saying from Cervantes, "The journey is better than the inn." And on nights like this, you believe it. This route may be short, but it teaches long. You don't need 5 hours to reflect. You need silence, speed, and a view. Madrid gets closer, but you're still far away. That's what cities do. They pull you back before you're ready. What if every journey home was a second chance, not to fix something, but just to notice it more clearly? Even the tracks seem calmer on the return, like the train knows it's bringing people back to routine, rest, or reflection. Spain's trains are known for their punctuality, but this one feels like it runs on feeling, not just time. You might forget the train number, the seat, the price, but not how it felt to move between two golden cities in a single day. There's no soundtrack, no announcements, just the low hum of wheels and the feeling that something important happened today, even if you can't put it into words yet. Not all travel is measured in kilometers. As Cervantes reminds us, the longest journeys often happen inside. The train may be high-tech, but it still feels old in the right way, like it respects the land it crosses. It's said that in Spain we don't rush, but we do move with purpose, and this train is proof. Each window on this train is a moving gallery. The art changes every second, but you only need one glance to remember it. Miguel de Unamuno once said, "Sometimes you arrive at your destination before your heart does." That's what this train allows. Spain is proud of its speed, but more proud of its stillness. You see both here. The rhythm of this train almost matches a heartbeat, a steady pulse, a soft echo, a road breathing under your seat. You won't remember how long this ride took. You'll remember how it felt to just sit still and watch the world turn gold, then blue. Some rides take you to places, others bring you back to yourself. This one does both. It's funny, you leave Toledo thinking of towers and walls, and on this ride you think of people. At this hour, everything outside the train softens, but what you learned today sharpens. Every traveler carries something home. Some carry souvenirs, others carry perspective. Evening trains are confessionals. You sit quietly and the day speaks. The seat next to you might be empty, but the silence beside you is full of thoughts. Life isn't lived in stations or arrivals. It's lived in motion between questions and answers. This is the kind of ride where you don't scroll, you stare out and you remember. The road is always better than the inn. For in every journey, the traveler finds more than he seeks. He discovers pieces of himself between the dust and the sky. the silence and the miles. And just like that, the lights of Atocha pull us back to the present. Doors open, bags shift, but part of you stays behind in narrow streets, warm stones, and quiet reflections. Back in Madrid, but not quite the same as you were when you left. Thanks for riding. Let's walk again soon.